Welcome back to LearnWire. I've got a super awesome tool this is not an AppSumo offer. It's a very unique offer, and I'm going to be sharing it with you. If you haven't heard of YiveSites, I'm going to be showing you the back end of this, showing you what the offer is, and showing you what you can actually do with this software. But before I do that, let's see who won last video's drawing. Now, what is today? It's January 28th. So if I end up getting a video out on Saturday and then Monday is the 31st, that means that there's only one or maybe two chances left for you to win my course on how to create YouTube videos fast using AI software. Currently sells for $59, but I've been giving it out to one lucky winner each video through the month of January, and this is ending in the next day or two. So let's go see who won for the last video. On the Brainwork video, copy link address, and I have tried to get a lot faster at these intros, so we don't spend 5 minutes doing this each time, and so I hope that I've at least achieved a little bit better as far as the speed. So we had 21 comments, a lot of comments, which was really nice. Now we have Parazine 257. You are today's winner. So all you have to do is email me. All you have to do is email me at learnwirereviews@gmail.com and you will get the course. All you have to do in order to win, have a chance to win for the next drawing, this might be the last drawing. All you have to do is like this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, please turn on the notifications, it helps out a lot, and comment on this video, and then you have a chance to win. So congratulations to Paracine 257. And you are the winner. And a lot of you guys have also kind of compared this to Word Hero, and I know a lot of you have Word Hero, which is a great tool. You know that I've kind of really endorsed that tool over the last month. So what I'll try to do next week is come out with a video on comparing the quality of Word Hero and Brainwork. Okay, so awesome. Let's jump in real quick. So here's YiveSites, okay? So YiveSites, Marcus Cudd is the owner and founder and the brain behind a series of apps that I can do I'll do other tutorials and reviews on his other products. Now I have all of his products. He has Yive Ranker, for example, and I could rank almost any YouTube video I want at the top by using his system. By using his software and his SEO ranking systems, you're able to do so much more and beat the competition. But in this case, YiveSites is a new product. I'm not sure how long it's been around, but it went through a massive rehaul and improvement last year in 2021, and that's when I decided to pick this offer up. He's only offered this one time before at this price. It's an unlimited offer to YiveSites. Usually this is you pay for the amount of sites, like for example, you pay for 5 sites at a time, or you buy a package of 20. This right here is going to be a package that allows you to have unlimited. I'm just going to scroll down and show you right away. This is a $197 offer. You get unlimited websites, and they host all the websites for you. It's a brilliant program. So we're going to go scroll through here. You can watch the video, obviously, but I'll tell you what I know about it, okay? But obviously he's saying struggling with cheap web hosts and plugins that don't work with your website. So here's the thing: if you guys want to have e-com sites, or if you want to have, this is really even good for PBNs. You can build a network of websites. They're all hosted on different C-class hosting. You're not going to get caught by Google or anything like that by using his system, because he has all these protections built in place, and you can build out as many sites as you want. If you want 100 websites, if you want 200 websites, you want 500 websites, you can put them all on Marcus Cudd's YiveSites platform. And you can use it for any type of business model, right? You can do, what's exciting is that they're offering this only this last time. And the reason why he's offering is because they are going to be building in their own YiveSites integrated content monetization system. So they're going to build their own like AdSense type network. Okay. So it's really cool. You'll be able to use YiveSites ad network right, to put on your sites. And when people go to the sites and click on them, then YiveSites will be paying you, not Google AdSense or Mediavine or any of the Zoic, any of those other popular advertising platforms. So here's what you really get with YiveSites, right? You can do affiliate sites and affiliate sales, ad clicks, client services. You could even sell these sites to. There's all kinds of training. There's too much training to even go over, but they have, and I'll show you the back end. But they have basically a tutorial video for everything, and they have great customer support. It's just a really solid platform. So you've got cloud hosted on CDN cloud hosting. So they have very fast, hyper speed hosting. So you're getting high quality cloud, like Amazon AWS cloud hosting for, like, basically you're not paying anything monthly, right? And you have all these sites up, and that is one of the problems, is that people tend to tell you, well, you're starting out, go get Bluehost. Well, you're going to have shared website hosting. It's going to be slow, and you're still paying for your hosting, and you're paying for pennies for your hosting, and it's only going to take you so far because it's not high quality, fast hosting, right? So, for example, on my personal websites, even before I knew about Yive, I use SiteGround, and that's about $350 a year. That's a lot more expensive than people are paying, $36 a year for, right? Because I'm paying for better hosting. When you get into this and blogging and having websites online, you're going to realize that you actually do pay for what you get, and you do pay for hosting. So that they're making the ability to get into this much easier for people, right? If you're a beginner or you're on a budget and you don't have a lot of money, you can get started for this. Yes, it would be a $200 investment up front, but then you would have the ability to build out. All you would need is an AI tool, and I'll show you how they actually have news integrated. You can do auto blogging with this. There's just so much you can do, and I can't cover it all in one video. But even if you wanted to build out high quality authority sites, you could use an AI writer, right? And then you can use you could use a subdomain on their site, which I'll just go show you what it looks like. So I have one right here, mountainClimbingExpert.yivesites.com. MountainClimbingExpert.yivesites.com. Look up here, and you'll see that it has an SSL certificate, right? So the site is secure. Don't ask me why I have these articles that don't have to do with, I think that they accidentally got auto blogged on here, but you can see this is the site, and we have the categories up here. And then I'll come down here and to show you kind of what one of the blog posts looks like that I didn't write, and it just automatically curated this for me. And then it'll tell you the related posts, and you could use these. You can put a logo on here, and you can use these for PBNs to build links. You can send a bunch of links to these sites to build the authority of them. Then you can sell backlinks. You can sell SEO services using YiveSites. You can build authority sites, money sites. There's just, the sky's the limit on what you can do with this, right? So you have the hosting. That was a big one I wanted to talk about. But here's the thing too: when you're new and you're going into your WordPress sites and you have to update plugins, and this plugin stopped working and they don't update it anymore, now I got to find a replacement and I got to go update my whole site. They have their own plugins. They manage all their own plugins, and they're automatically updated, so you don't have to go in and worry about your site not being updated. Content automatizations. This is what I was talking about. You can do content automatizations that build your site on autopilot using a variety of functions such as affiliate data feeds, video channel feeds, RSS feeds, news API, and more. So you can actually build out news sites on autopilot using their system as well. Monetization, like I said, one-click site creation. You can create sites very quickly. SEO tools as well. So it's got the whole enchilada, everything that you would need. Now they have proof of YiveSites, of actual YiveSites, of either making affiliate earnings on Warrior Plus here. This is ClickBank right here, making ClickBank sales. They have a whole Facebook group that you'll be able to get a part of. See, this is actually him using one of the YiveSites to make money, not his own business. And I've verified that in the Facebook group that there are people that post snapshots screenshots of their actual earnings from YiveSites as well. So this is it's not Google Amazon. This is Amazon affiliate program right here, earning money right there as well. Not really sure what this network is, but earning money right there as well. So this is good for Amazon niche blogs, data feed stores. It works good for Google news site websites as well. So I have a site that is approved in Google News, and you can use this site to host that as well. To host your Google News site once it's approved in Google News. Video auto blogs, keyword niche auto blogs, social feeder, news auto blogs, API integration. Now, Article Forge, this is cool. There's an Article Forge integration. I have Article Forge. I haven't done that yet, but once you integrate it with this, then you're going to have a unique automatic content written for you. So you can actually hook it up to like a YouTube video, and every time a YouTube channel comes up with a YouTube video, then it will also take the keyword and go out to Article Forge and write an entire unique human readable copyscape past article for you. So you are getting unique content on your blog every time it posts. So there's just, the sky's the limit. Automated interlinking, automatically link your content to internal pages, external websites, and authority. Ads integration, PBN, like I said, automated PBN monetization, custom domains. So you can hook up your custom domain and to where it won't be like right here, mountainclimbingexpert.yivesites.com. I could actually make this mountainclimbingexpert.com, and I can integrate that with the system as well. So there's that as well. Virtual assistant, you can actually hire virtual assistants, train them on creating brand new websites for you. Analytics, drag and drop form builder, integrated image system, integrated support system. So they basically do it all for you, right? And you would, once you learn the system, then you'd be able to do it yourself. Then what I would recommend is putting together a training package and then going out and outsourcing a virtual assistant to go and build you a new website every week. And before you know it, by the end of the year, you'll have 50 websites up. After another year, you'd have, another 100 websites up. The sky's the limit. Or if they build one website per day, then you're looking at, 40, 30 websites a month that you could have up. So the sky's the limit. It's good for news websites, magazine sites, affiliate stores, private blog networks, video sites, niche blogs, and look, example automated Yive sites. You can see what they look like. Super, super cool stuff. Really, really cool stuff. I like this one, the latest trailers. Look at this. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so we're going to keep going through here, and there is an example tutorial you can go check out before you buy. Just kind of watch that and see. He'll get you just what the basics are, and here's all the what users say, the wave reviews, obviously. So at one time, 197 is many websites. Never worry about hosting again. Never worry about being able to put up a website. That is one of people's biggest excuses in online business. Is I don't have any money to buy a website. I don't know how to put a website together. Well, you get all the training videos, you get a one-time payment, you can pay twice this. I pay twice this per year just for my hosting alone. And that's not including keeping up with themes and all that. So it's an insane deal, insane price. So 197 one time, unlimited sites, unlimited hosting, unlimited training, just everything, right? Okay, so the back end looks like this real fast. So I have 95 posts. I don't know where the 95 posts came from because I'm only seeing a couple. But anyway, if you had 100 sites, you just click over here, visit blog, and there's going to be a giant list right here of all the blogs that you have up here. You can build an entire blog network and manage it in YiveSites, and you'd have them all right here. And they're all going to be hosted on different C-class servers in hosting. So they're all unique from another. So they're not going to be there's not going to be a footprint, right? You're always looking at SEO and where's the footprint? Well, there's not going to be a footprint the way that they've built this out. Trust me. All right. So we've got this. You can go to blogs. If I wanted to make a post right here, I could just click on posts. And here's all the posts. Okay. So those are all drafts because I did not approve those. So I would have to go in and actually preview this post. Okay. I'm not really sure what that was, but all right, so here we go. This is where you can go in and you can actually add a new post, and it looks just like this, right? You'd put in your title, and you can do if it's a featured, enable sidebar. You can choose your thumbnail, upload a new thumbnail, select thumbnail from media library. They've got, you can just go and click anything over here that you've already uploaded. You can put your tags in there. You can go and assign a category right there, right? Made a description, made a keyword, and you would just paste your content in here and then you would push publish. I mean, it's a super easy, like it's actually easier to publish in here than it would be even with WordPress because you don't have to deal with all the formatting stuff. You don't have to deal with the Gutenberg formatting, which is just terrible in WordPress. I hate it. This is just a nice clean editor right here. So you can get it. So I would just use, if you wanted to build out a really good website, use, Word Hero or Jarvis, well, Jasper AI now, or Article Forge or any of the other tools, AI generation tools, and go out and write really good content, and then just go and paste it in here, right? And you would have unique content, and and your site's already hosted for you, and so forth, right? And if you want to build out a money site, I would recommend hooking up an actual domain, so paying the $12 on Namecheap, go get the domain name, and then go in here and hook it up, right? So you have pages, you have videos, can add new video right there. So here's where the automation starts coming in, right? You can do auto blogging, auto linking, all kinds of stuff. So I have one from News API set up. If you were going to set one up, you just go create new, and then you have from these choices here, Amazon data feed, content generator, article forge. So this is what I want to hook up and build a new site. You can have article forge integration. You just put in your API key right here and push save, and then you'd be able to hook this up and tell the system, hey, I want 3 new articles for this blog every single day, and here's all my keywords or something, right? So super cool. Virtual assistant, you can actually add a virtual assistant over here. Here's how you hook up your custom domain. You just click on that, and it's going to have all the directions right here on how to change your name, DNS records in Namecheap or your host. It would be from GoDaddy or Namecheap or anything like that. And then you would just come over here because Yive is now going to be the hosting of your platform, right? So you don't have to go and get Bluehost. You don't have to go get SiteGround. Yive would be your host and everything. So you come through here, there's actually analytics right here you could click on, and it will tell you all of the stats, what is performing well. You can create tickets in here. Right here, they have a really good ticket system, and they do get back to you. This is a full-blown system that's been around for years. Yive itself, the brand, they have Yive Ranker. They have all kinds of different. Yive stands for Your Instant Video Empire, and that's what the very first, and I don't know, it's been around for I believe years, and that's they started off with creating YouTube channels and being able to blow them up very quickly on autopilot, and then they've since developed more products. So this is a full-fledged, they have thousands of members, so you are definitely paying for a premium type software here, and they're not going to just like stop optimizing the platform and leave you hanging, right? And then you have your tutorials. You can click on the tutorials over here and look, you can just go down here. Look, they've all uploaded all these right here. Look at a day ago, crawler events are now available. So a day ago, they uploaded that, and even 11 months ago, they uploaded a training. So it's continuing PBN building series. Let's click on that. So we click on PBN building series. Okay, so that one is coming soon. So that one's not available. Quick start video guide and tutorial videos. You're going to click on that, and this is going to get you going right away. Look at all the videos. There's a 6-minute video there, and it is actually, most of the tutorials are actually from Marcus Cudd, the CEO and founder himself. He's very involved in the product. I believe he is a coder by trade, and he has a coding staff as well, because he can't do it all himself. So he's very heavy on the customer support side of things, but I believe he's also a programmer. So there's nothing that they can't really fix in their software. And they do a ton of testing before they launch something in their software to make sure that it's okay to launch to the masses. But believe me, they have thousands of people using this system. And then you come through here, how to upload multiple images at once to buckets. So then you always have images for it to go out and grab. So if you want to do auto blogging, this is absolutely the #1 best place. And this is just one of those sections. Look how many videos are in here. There must be 40 videos uploaded in that one section there. So absolutely, I haven't taken this and run with it yet. I have it. I have the unlimited sites. Well, you can see right here, here's my ticket. It doesn't say right there lifetime, but 4 months ago, I bought this for the same price. I'm surprised that they're selling it for the same price that I bought it at. This may be the last time they ever offer unlimited websites like this again. And usually you have to pay, like a bundle, like $50 for 5 sites or something like that. So this is a really good deal. I'm not doing this in my business yet, but it's always there if I want to go and actually take this and run with it. But I'm working on so many other things in my business right now. But if you guys want a business model and you're searching for that way to make money online, this is like a starting point. You've got to have the ability to build websites, and you've got to have hosting for it. So this is actually, even though it's $197, it might seem pricey like for a one-time purchase. But you have to realize what you're getting with this. You're getting an entire system, and just doing this right here, you could actually build a business that makes money for just $197 one time. So that's it. That's my review for YiveSites. This offer is only available for like the next 3 days. So I think by Sunday night, actually. So you only have a couple of days to pick this up. I'd say 48 hours if this is something you're interested in at all. I know a lot of subscribers will be watching this video, and you only have a couple days. By next week, this offer probably won't be around, but I wanted to share this with you guys, get this out to you guys so you guys can make an informed decision on if YiveSites is something that you want to invest in your business. All right, that's it for this review today. I appreciate you guys, and we'll see you in the next video.